What's up, you guys? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We are at the Alameda Flea Market right now. We come here once a month. That's when it's open. It's a vintage flea market. That means everything has to be like 20 years or older, so it might be a little bit difficult for me to find some stuff, but I guess we'll have to see. All right, you got some food. We got coffee for Uncle Michael. Got myself a little breakfast burrito before we go around picking and walking around. I didn't really show any footage of us like setting up or stuff, but we set up already. I'll come and walking around here. We get some little footage. Looks like there's a bunch of jewelry again. A bunch of rugs right here. Some instruments, alright. I heard binoculars. I forgot what brand my dad said that binoculars are good. He told me like one specific brand. This is like pretty solid. I forget what brand it is though.
Can I give you $10? You know, I want to retail. This one more about Japanese. When it's Chinese, yeah, it's cost more. I give 10. Okay. You have more? No. Any kind of money, coin, dollar coin? Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, you come back? I saved for you. Somebody bought it.
All right, y'all. Sorry, I'm not exactly too sure what I'm looking at all the time, especially at this flea market more so. There's a lot of vintage stuff around here that I'm not exactly too sure I'm looking for.
What's going on, John? How's the lake? Oh my God, you want an got it for $30. One phone call and got 3,000. Wow. It was California Electric Company.
Yeah, also another thing is a lot of people at this flea market like know what they're selling. Like they bring their same stuff back every month. They just know what they're selling, so it's gonna be very hard for me to find a good pick that is a reasonable price for me to buy. I remember we had these. I swear we had something like this recently. It's actually funny. I think we had like some carousels that are signed by the same dude. Yeah. Like on these little pieces. That's funny. Nice pieces. How much in the bobblehead?
Huh?
How much in the bobblehead?
Oh, you want just only this? Can you give me 30?
Alright, let me keep looking real quick. Alright, if I am to buy something at this flea market, I feel like it'd most likely be like jewelry for a solid price or something. I don't really, unless I guess I see something I'm kind of knowledgeable on, but I don't really see too much stuff. It's just a bunch of vintage stuff, clothing, things of that nature. Hello.
How's it going?
I'm good. How about you guys?
unopened packs, man. I got a good deal, man. $3 a piece or 2 for $5.
All right. I know these games can be good. I don't know too much about N64 games. I know some are kind of good though. Do you know if you have the other earring for this?
Huh?
Do you know if there's the other earring for this or no? This one? I only see one in here.
¿Cuánto por este nada más?
¿Por cuál?
¿Por el más ese?
Do you know if there's another earring in here or no?
Yeah. Espérame. ¿Se fueron para abajo?
One fell.
Ok. Abajo. Está bueno.
No sé.
Ya se peló.
¿No está?
This one.
Nada más uno. Dale precio de esos dos.
Nomás dame $10. $10 porque ya falta agua.
All good.
Está free. Free.
Free? Just give it to me?
Free. Este free $10.
Es silver. Es silver.
No está. Yo creo que se cayó cuando se cayó.
Haciendo frío. Mira, el señor que te dije, el de gorrito. Ahí andaba andando.
¡Ay, señor!
How much for this?
$10. Ah, no.
I had for these two.
Yeah, dame 20. 15, pues.
Alright, I'll do 15.
15 good price. Es okay. 5. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, y'all, got a little bit of jewelry. I guess, I don't know, that definitely wasn't the best price, you know. $10 doesn't make a deal, but I guess I can sell them to you guys on the auction. Like, those could be 2 lots, some earring lots. Shouldn't be too bad. How much for the rings?
14.
Not 14.
No, it disappeared.
On the heartbeat.
Yeah, let's see the ring.
Excuse me, how much for the rings?
Let's see which ones. These are $2 each. Were they in that tray?
I think it goes in this tray. How much for this?
That one. It's a nice roast horse.
Yeah, it's a nice piece. I like it.
You go to the boxes right here.
Would you do 15 for this?
Not that silver, I can. That's very good price.
Yeah.
You're a famous YouTuber?
I wish. My dad kind of is, but not me really. My dad's storage auction pirate. You might kind of know him.
Oh.
But I'm not. I just started.
Oh, you does mine? Really?
Yeah. What's up?
I don't look
We don't look alike? Yeah, I look more like my mom. My sister looks like him a little bit more.
Do you want Mexican?
No, she's white. Yeah, she's really white.
Because you kinda...
I have like his skin tone, but then the rest of it is like my mom. I'm kind of like a little bit more tan like him though. Is that a real diamond ring?
You can have that one for 50.
Hmm?
You can have that one for 50.
Oh really? All right, thank you. Yeah, I'll buy it.
Is this 3 rings? Oh, yeah.
Thank you. How much is that? I was just curious. I don't have that.
That one like 1600.
Yeah, it's a nice ring.
I have the certified.
This one. Oh really? That's nice. I'll get this one. I like that piece. STIXX and then Picks. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
My legs are just,
Oh, sorry.
you pain, but it was okay. I didn't buy it.
Thank you. All right, y'all, we're gonna take a little break from picking around. I guess we're gonna sit at our stall, see what's going on with our dad and them, see what they're selling. I already kind of knew. I'm not gonna buy the most stuff from you. It's kind of difficult, you know. I'm not too knowledgeable on things, so me trying to find vintage items that I could make profit on is hard, you know. With jewelry, I know I could probably make a decent profit on like silver rings if I buy them for like $10 a piece, or maybe not 10 a piece, $5. $10 is pushing it, but I guess you could still profit.
Silver.
Let's see the pirate's reaction.
More. I mean, you'll be able to make money on that.
That's what I was thinking.
I could see you getting 30 to 40.
I was thinking this is a solid item. I think people would like this on the auction.
What'd you get for it?
$15. All right, y'all. My camera died for a little while, so we just had like a couple hour intermission, pretty much. My last footage I had for you guys was like 3 hours ago. I was gonna record like as soon as I got back to the stall, but then my camera just wouldn't record anymore because it was dead. But I was gonna show you guys my stall. Yes, fishing poles. Got a nice little Titanic replica. Some clothing, some speakers. Get a nice like I forgot what it is. It's like a specimen holder thing or whatever. It's apparently in the Smithsonian. It's a nice piece. We already sold it. I think we sold it for $1,300, right? I sold for $1,300. I was telling my video. And yeah, it's our stall. We got a bunch of good stuff. We got a bunch of clothing over there. Some stuff on the tables. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you're watching the outro. Like I always say, I love you. I'm sorry there wasn't as much footage as I thought there'd be. My camera died at like 9, and like the batteries weren't charging too well, so I couldn't get that much footage. So this video would have been a little bit longer. I'm sorry guys. I appreciate you for watching still. Peace out.